Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a party chat using Discord on your Xbox Series X or S. So the first thing you want to do is go up to Settings, going down to Accounts, go to the right, go to Linked Social Accounts. Now under here, we're going to have the option to go to Discord and link our account. So once you link your account, you're going to have to sign in with your email address and password. And then you do have the option to show this on your profile right here if you want to check mark that or not, so people can see you on there. Once you have your account linked under this section, it should bring open like a web page or something for you to log in, just like this. For example, if I go to Reddit, here is Discord right here. So I'm going to have to log in. And then once I have it logged in, press the Xbox button, go on over to Parties and Chats. And Discord should be an option under here. We can just check mark this and press A on it. And then all the different party chats we're involved in will appear under here. So we can go to one of them, and if it has voice chats in the groups, we should be able to just join it, just like this. So you're going to have to probably use a different device on your phone or your computer to get invited to a party chat or join a party chat. And then once you're actually in it, it should show up on your Xbox. So here's an example: Daisy Official. See, I got some other random things on here. The B Team. So yeah, once you're invited, it will show up automatically on your Xbox, and you accept it. But you can't join from your Xbox unless you log in on the web browser, like here, and then you can actually accept and join them. Once it's on here, though, it's very easy on the party chat to just join them. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.